So simple. Just gonna cut them like so. Look, the hard food pot with the yam and the green banana, and I never see lamb chops fried. Normally you see lamb chops on a barbecue grill. Look at that. Yeah, man. Don't want the fire too high, so we're gonna put it on a low stove over here. That is it. Hoy people, wagwan, you done now. Say, look, come in and have a look. Welcome to season 8, everybody. We are here, and I done now. Say, you're not late. We're there. So today is a multiple choice of cooking, people. Yeah, we're gonna be running right through the clock. We're camping. We're there by the Riverside. Big up yourself, people. Yeah, you done know wagwan. It's 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. A good vibe. So we're there, man, and the fire happy light up, people. So yeah, man, we have to give thanks to Bobla, you know, because Bobla is a natural fire starter. You know, play when you come to this wood thing, you know, and this fire starting thing, you know. Yeah, man, because you know, food have to cook, and we can't do this without the fire. Not true, Bobla? True, man. We're outside, and everybody outside today, the man them outside and whatnot. Yeah, good vibes. Cooking are going over there so as well. Yeah, man, so today, look, this is the meat section, right? Yes, sir, people. So over here, we've got lamb chops on the menu. And then also, we've got in the bag. All right, man, I'll tell you when in the bag. But things in the bag. Wow. So, yeah, man, our vibes are going outside here by the Riverside today, people. Mad thing. Bubbler, I just turn up the fire. Fire is blazing now. But we've got a range of ingredients that we're going to be cooking from today, people. Yeah, and we're going to be using, we've got yam, sweet potato, plantain, okra, carrots, June plum, tomato, corn, everything, pumpkin, callaloo, green banana. Yeah, man, we've got a range of garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, normal onion. Vibes are going, yeah, so we're there by the Riverside, people. You don't know, come on, look at this, pure vibes. The fire just start up. This cooking today, everybody, yeah. Let me spin around the camera. Cooking segment here, it's a special for season 8. We're cooking a multiple range of different type of food today, people. Yeah, I don't know, don't think, nah. Bubbly there, so I'll start out some wood said way. We're gonna be cooking callaloo, we're gonna be doing vegetable, we're gonna be doing lamb chops, we're gonna be doing chicken. So this one ain't a particular like whether it's chicken, lamb chop. We just buy the Riverside and it's a vibes, cooking, beer things are going, people, yeah? Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what going. It's always a vibes. It's always a vibes, yeah, man. Go by the Riverside quickly. Show you down by the water. I need to get myself a fishing rope. Then we can be doing some fishing. Yeah, man. Beautiful. I'm taking advantage of the 31 degrees that we've got here in England, people, yeah? Good vibes. This is no joke. This is no ordinary setup today, you know, everyone know. Look at that. We've got the 24-hour kitchen logo out, you know. We've got the water bottles them down there. Bubbler forward back through with some wood and whatnot, people, yeah? Get the fire blazing. We're going to start preparing the lamb chops right over there, so good vibes. Yeah, man. Everybody, so we're at the first stage of cooking. It's a good vibe with the outside, Riverside, authentic Jamaican cooking. What we say? Wood fire. Yeah, man, the energy one, the energy right. And the topic is what? The topic is always about food. Water. Yeah, alright. So you see where the kitchen is, everybody, yeah? Everything has been constructed, you understand? I use the pallet wrap to create stabilized kitchen surface. Big up yourself. So we are utilize nature said way, people, yeah. It's a good vibe. Yeah, man, big up yourself. We're in season what, everybody? I want you to put a comment in the comment section right now and tell me what you would want to actually see. We've got an option here for everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's watching the program. What would you want to see in season 8? And let's get that going. We might can do something and get a video that everybody might want to see, a creativity. Remember, so we're outside in season 8. What I'm doing right now, I'm just washing off the lamb chops with some lemon. Nice. You have to just wash it, soak it off in some lemon, everyone. Look at this. Good vibes. Yeah, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put the all-purpose seasoning mix on this in just a few seconds, and after that, we're gonna get it into our pan. Good vibes. So what's happening? It's giving it its final rinse. And it's also important, you know what the ethos is on the channel, everybody? Making sure that we're eating 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, just so that we can get the right intake into our body, people, yeah? It's very important that we've got the right nutrients going into our body so that we can carry out our day-to-day task healthily and not feeling drained out at the end of the day. So, yeah, man, a part of having the cooking channel, we have to support a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating, and making sure that we're eating regular, people. Good vibes. This is my sink area over here. The stinging nettles now, I'm just watering the stinging nettles them. Yeah. All right, good vibes. So look at this now, we're completed. Have a look in my bowl. Lamb chops, fresh, ready, washed off. What's gonna happen next, everybody? You know what's happening next. Alright, let me just get into the kitchen area. Amazing. So we've got coconut today. We're going to be working with pumpkin, corn, cucumber, green banana, onion, red onion, peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger. We've also got, this is called a June plum, so we're going to be infusing something with a June plum today as well, everybody, yeah? So our good vibes. We've got the callaloo on deck, we've got the sweet potato, yeah man, scallion, yam, everything there, okra there, people. So you know, say, our vibes are gone. So what I'm going to be needing from the surface is the oil and some all-purpose seasoning mix. One more thing, everybody, if you haven't yet ordered your bottle of all-purpose seasoning mix, make sure that you put in your order. You can send the email through. The email is in the description of the channel, or you can go on the Ringo Vision on the Instagram and we can get talking directly, quick and fast, people, yeah? And I'll get one of these to you wherever you are in the world, whether you're in the UK, in the Europe, in Africa, in Asia, or the America, or the Caribbean. Whoosh! Yes, everybody, come in and have a look and see what's happening here. Yeah, man, it's just a little sprinkle, and just make sure that it's well marinated in. Give thanks to nature today, everybody, because we're utilizing nature to the fullest. The tree is actually our holding point, like it cannot go nowhere. The tree is bracing it. So, you understand?
What's that you're putting on there?
I'm putting an all-purpose seasoning mix on there. Greg's. Big up Greg's, he's on camera helping out today. Star boy, this, you know. Yeah, man, good vibes. Alright, so what I'm gonna do as well, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of oil on there so that they're glossed up nicely. Look at that. That is it. So come in now. Let's go and set on our pan.
Alright, okay, done it.
Oil in there. Alright. Big up yourself, everybody. Next stage you're gonna see, we're gonna be dealing with some vegetables quickly. Cook that. Yes, everybody, so it's the ultimate wash down of everything. We just give everything a little rinse off one time, wet up everything. Everything's already been rinsed down and washed down, but you know, so we just make sure, yeah, good vibes. So we've got the water surface, I said, yeah man, everything in our water, I said, yeah, no important. So because the pan's on, what we're going to be using as one of our ingredients, we're going to be using some red onion, and we're also going to be needing some garlic. Find the garlic, everybody. Big up yourself. So let's get back over to the pan and see where I go on. Good vibes. Ready? Just catch it going in. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Good vibe. Yeah, man. That is it, everybody. So we're gonna let that go and marinate on each side for a few minutes. And we're gonna start to cut up the onion, the garlic, and all the ingredients. And then we're gonna show you the stages, the process of what's gonna be happening today. What we can do as well, we can even lightly cover our lid as well. Yeah, man, make it go and steam down, everybody. Yeah, good vibes. So we've got an onion there, and we've got a garlic there. Good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. There. So just to strip some onion, everybody. Onion's very important because onion gives a natural flavour, infuses our meat with a natural flavour, everybody. And the red onion is especially good for you. And also with the garlic's also being used as one of the herbs that I'm going to be using to flavour the lamb chops, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there, we're fully active and we're fully outside. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man. You never see lamb chops fried. Normally you see lamb chops on a barbecue grill. Nah, different style Ringo Vision I give you today. Look how they're frying up nice and crispy, nice and succulent. Just like if they're on a grill, everybody, yeah? And this is going to get that same flavour, but it's all in the pan. I'm going to be adding some ingredients as we go along, everybody. Yeah, man, big up yourself. We're there. Fully what? Fully outside. Good vibe. Wow, this is so amazing, man. Bubbler, we don't need these sticks underneath there right now, yeah? Cause we've got two parts to the stove, everybody, I want to show you, yeah? So we've got the high fire over there, yeah, which is that burn over there. And we've got this burn over here, which is like a ho-hoy. Man, tell me, look at that, look at them sizzling. You can't do this in your kitchen at home, I lie you, I tell. You cannot do this at home because you know why? Oil would be splashing everywhere. But right now, when we're outside, this is the best aspect of cooking in nature, people. Good vibes. Wow, look at that. Yeah, man, that golden coating. Lamb chops, the flavours that is jumping off right now is amazing. We're going to get some garlic cut up on there, get some onion in a little short while. Yeah, man, good vibes, good vibes. These are not even far off from done, everybody. No, they're not far off from done. A good vibe. You're on the right track. Big up yourself. And I've stripped the onion and I've stripped some garlic, everybody. So let's go back over to our surface now. Yeah, man, work surface. Wow. So yeah, we got water here, so everything just rest off in our water. I said you don't know the thing. We might use some coconut. We've got a hand grater out here with us today. We've got some utensils that we're using as well. Yeah, man, we need to get a scallion over there as well because we're going to be using a scallion. We're going to be using a Scotch bonnet pepper. We're also going to be using some ginger. We're also going to be using some corn as well. Vibes, we have vibes. We have vibes, the thing, you know, people. I don't know, joke thing, you know. Yeah, man, good vibes. So look at this. Alright, there we go. Yeah, man. Ginger gone in there, so. Got some scallion. That's what we're going to be using for our lamb chops. No joking. Good vibes. Let's pour the pepper in. Yeah, man, there's vibes out here, you know, everybody there, people. Good vibes, man. Good vibes. Yeah. Welcome to the 24-hour kitchen cooking show, people. Good vibes. So we got some pepper seeds. We not waste nothing. Just dash them by the riverside, see if some pepper seeds can grow by the riverbank in Sedway. Yeah, man, good vibes. We not dash for nothing, people. Good vibes, man. So beautiful outside today. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Pack the this, sir. Thing I cook right there, sir. This is the skill with the heat that I'm using because what's going to happen, the ground is consuming all the heat from the pan and maintaining a level of heat in our pan that is the right amount of heat that I need right now to go to my next stage of cooking, people, yeah? big up yourself. Yeah man, this is like when you're at home now and you turn it down really low. You just use the ground to just sustain all the heat and just deal with it slowly like that. Good vibes. Everybody, so we've got our work surface nice and stabilized, and we've got the ingredients that we're going to be using. Good vibes. So yeah man, we finally finished the lamb chops. So come in and have a look. Let me see what's happening now. These are the stages of what's really happening right now. So I'm just dealing with the onions quickly. Yeah man, nicely. Alright, we haven't got a even surface, but it's even enough. Everybody, good vibes. So we've got the chopped onions chopped up. Get all that in there. Go there. And so what we're gonna do now, we've got some peppers, so let's get that out, because when we're cooking, this has still got seeds there. So let's get rid of that part there. Bam, quick and fast. And then what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna be doing some slices. Literally, yeah man. And we have some guests out here today as well, people. So you might be hearing some background noise. Don't watch nothing, because it's a full 360 cooking and vibes. And you understand, people, we outside 24-hour kitchen. This is it, people. You were going into the next stage. So what I'm gonna do now, some scallion quick and fast. We're not actually cutting anything to any particular size or shape. We're just literally just chopping up the vegetables them, everyone. Yeah, just giving this one kind of like a rustic finish. So we've got some chunks of vegetables in here. So we're using the scallion now, just like so. Nicely, just get these ones there done up as well. And after the scallion, we're just gonna bust the Scotch bonnet in half. We just have to take that half there, get the other half back up there on the surface. Good vibes. And then what else we got in there to use? We've also got a next bit of pepper. Good vibes. Yes everybody, so as we're outside, look and see what I'm gonna be doing right now. Is quickly, I'm just gonna put all of that in there. Yeah. Quickly, cover that up quickly. What happens sometimes, the bottom of the pan gets a little bit of burnt. I don't want that, but I'm going to use the pan exactly how it is. Just throw that into the fire just like so. And this will also help to blaze the fire as well. Good vibe. And simple things back on again. And we are again in full effect, but this time vegetable garnine. So as you can see, everything that was just chopped up, everybody, is going in for a surprise. As you can see, don't want the fire too high, so we're going to put it on a low stove over here. That is it. Scotch bonnet pepper there. Good vibes. If you can smell the flavors that's actually just coming from the pans right now, no word of a lie, not gassing the thing. I'm not a big fan of lamb or anything like that, everybody, but I'm telling you, this is smelling absolutely fantastic. Yeah, this is the one. If you are a lover of lamb meat, this is for you. Big chunk of garlic going in said way just like that. Yeah man, I'm just gonna just cover up the pan and just let everything go and simmer up for our local vibes. About three, we're gonna make all the vegetables soften up before I put the lamb chops back in a little while. Good vibes. Yes everybody, so what I'm doing now is adding ginger. Ginger is good for the pot because it carries a lot of different type of flavor. It's also a natural heat, just like the Scotch bonnet pepper itself as well. So if you come over here with me, come. So what I'm accessing is the all-purpose seasoning mix. We need this because it's like if this is not activated, coming like nothing now go on people. So yeah man, we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning mix in. as you can see that it's been used rapid because this one here complete, but we also got a next bottle on deck. Yes everybody, so what I'm doing, just add that in and just let all of that good stuff just go and marinate in. Just gonna make it sit on the lamb chops. The lamb chops will sit on the vegetable, do its own thing. We're gonna wait about 20 minutes, let it go and steam down. We're gonna add a little bit of water in a short while, people, yeah. Big up yourself, you don't know what go on. Multiple cooking today, people, yeah. Stage 1, good vibes. Right, look at this, so, see the fire there? Gonna put the next pan on there like so. Yeah man, set on some water and that. I'm gonna start boil up some hard food and thing. Pick up yourself, we're there, have good vibes. Alright, let it cool on the place, people. Yeah man. That is it. So we're just gonna make that go and stew down now, people. For our local vibes. Yeah man, and that is it. Good vibes. Wow, tell me if that don't look amazing. I'm gonna add a special. I'm gonna give you a special on this one, everybody. You know why? Because I love the fact that you guys are tuned in and you guys are enjoying season 8 so far. Big up on your damn self. Yeah man, look here man. The water pot, start to boil up. I need to cut this stove here because it's kind of lean still. Yeah man, the smoke's going down to the Riverside said way. Good vibes, good vibes. Fires blazing underneath the stove then. Good vibes. Yes man, look at me a Jaffa. The good old dry coconut man. See it here? You never see this before, people. Go and eat piece of the coconut. Look over there. So, yes everybody, look at this. Wow, this is chewing down absolutely. Words can't describe this one. It's all love everybody. Big up yourself. You're there. I just gonna add something to the pot because I don't normally travel with certain utensils, but I'm traveling with certain utensils now, everybody. Look at this. Yeah man, so we're just adding some dry coconut to our lamb chops, everybody, yeah, to give it that sweet coconutty flavor just towards the end, everybody, yeah. It's a good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. You know what going on, people, yeah. A wee set flavors and a wee set niceness. Yeah man, coconut is a really nice one, people, yeah. It's good. You can use coconut oil. We use coconut in the rice and peas. We're using the coconut today in the lamb chops. So what I'm going to be doing now, it's going to give it a nice little light stir, and all that flavour is just gone in there from the coconut, people. It's good vibes. You're not even going to be able to notice it once it disappears, but when it comes to the flavours and all the tasting, you're definitely going to be getting a bit of that coconut there. As you can see, it's disappeared now. Good vibes. Pick up yourself. 24-hour kitchen with Daya. So this one is ready to kind of almost come off, and I'm going to go and kick it now, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yes, so we finally got the fire to a stage where we want it to be, everybody. Look at that, bubbling. So we're going to start peeling the yam and the green banana and all them ingredients there to go in the pot. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so you just done see the green banana get peeled and put into the pot. So right now what I'm doing is peeling the yam also and preparing it to go into the pot as well. Good vibes. So look at that. This is a whole white yam, people, yeah? Good vibes. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. So simple. Just gonna cut them like so. Not too thick, but decent size of thickness. Yeah, man, let them just go on boil now, people. I'm just leaving them in a circular motion as well. That's it. The white yam going into the pot, nice and easy. Good vibes. So the yam's in the pot, people. Yeah, we're gonna cover up now and get the fire blazing. Good vibes. Yes, man, time for our next thing we are going right now. So dealing with the chicken now, people. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active. All right, so I've taken off the lamb chops off the fire, transported that into that pot there. The yam and the green banana are going to boil up. Boom! Chicken are going to the same lamb pot. Good vibes. Alright, everybody, so yeah, man, the corn and the chicken, put that in together, let that go and fry up together, everybody. Look, the hard food pot with the yam and the green banana, and I just put some plantain in there as well. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so have a look and see what I go on. It's a vegetable chicken pot, you know. Healthy thing, as much as it's chicken. But look at that, we're putting some broth. Woo! Get some broccoli in there as well, everybody. We've got corn, chicken, carrot, broccoli. Yeah, man, this is a nice combination mix here, everybody. We're gonna add some water in a short while and just make everything just go and stew down nicely, people, yeah? A good vibes, we there. Yes, people, you don't know what one says at the completion right now. Yeah, man, good vibes. Everything done complete, people.
Yeah, man. Rasta said no meat.
Rasta said no meat.
Yeah, man.
Good vibes said here. Fully active, fully outside, people. Pick up yourself.